Namaste. My name is Nadine. I'm from Netherlands and I did my TTC at Vinyasa Yogashala. I started this course 25 days ago and I really enjoyed my time here. The surroundings are beautiful. The food we had was also really good. I am eating vegan and they provided very carefully all the food for us. We also had 𝗧𝗲VEC foods, which is very good for yogic practices. We also went for some excursions, which were very, very nice. We did some yoga at the beach. It was a really nice experience and everyone here was very welcoming to all of us. So thank you very much.